Lisa. I'm back again as promised to show you how I'm going to install Radiator Grille Store's radiator grills in my C8 2022 hardtop convertible Corvette. Another Radiator Grille Store product that I want to talk about is this Radiator Grille Store lift puck. It helps you lift your C8 Corvette safely. Hey guys, it's Lisa. So you're going to need a T15 Torx, gloves, a 9 30-second socket, and a side cutter. Okay, we're gonna remove this, and this. Let's do it. Now we're gonna pull this down. We're not gonna be afraid that we're breaking anything. It's perfectly normal. Pull it down to there. You're gonna see the leaves and the sand and rocks that come into your car, and these grills are gonna help that. Okay, we got the RGS Z51 duct grill. I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna make sure it's level. Just push that in there. You can use this hand if you need to adjust it. And voila. This is the large opening grill. Make sure you go up behind the other grill. Put it up in there and then turn it back. And you get it. There you go. Okay, loosely connect, zip tie, here, 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 and here. So we're gonna put that through. We're gonna do it through the other end. You can hold on to the back of the grill. Okay, you're gonna pull that and you're gonna loosely connect it. Final step is to take the zip tie knot and push it as far as you can into the back there. You're gonna take your nail, whatever it takes, push that down right in there. Then you're gonna cut it. And voila, you're done. After you have installed everything back and screwed everything back in, this is what your beautiful Radiator Grille Store grills are going to look like. And just so you have a reference, we're going to show you what it looks like before. This is before, and here's your after. Happily ever after. For more amazing products like this, go to radiatorgrillestore.com or comment and subscribe below. Thanks.